Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and smell the K by Dolce&Gabbana Eau De Toilette men's fragrance. So let's first take a look around the outside of the sample packaging. So this is a 1ml sample of K by Dolce&Gabbana. It is a men's fragrance and this is the Eau De Toilette version. And taking a look at the back of the packaging, there is some literature about the fragrance. So this new masculine fragrance is a vibrant fusion of Italian citruses, embraced by burning aromatic notes, luxuriously deepening into noble cedar wood, unforgettable for the senses. And it says woody aromatic at the bottom. Okay, so it is described as a woody aromatic scent by Dolce&Gabbana. I'm just taking a close-up look, and there is a list of ingredients or the composition of the fragrance or perfume. And now let's go ahead and open up the box. Of course, just popping up that box flap and tipping out the fragrance. So this is a 1ml sample. I'm just going to set the box on the right hand side of the frame. So you can see it comes in this lovely, very dark blue bottle. Of course, this is a sample bottle with a 1ml or 1ml capacity. So just giving you a look as to the size of this bottle resting in the palm of my left hand. Just going to move it across to my right. So right there, a 1ml sample bottle of K by Dolce&Gabbana. So it is a men's fragrance described as having a woody aromatic scent. And let's see if we can take a close-up look there at the liquid and styling of this little sample bottle. It's quite hard to tell, but there is some text along the length of the bottle right there. Can't quite make it out through my little camcorder's LCD, but nonetheless there is some text there. Perhaps you can read more clearly in the video. Okay, so right there, little sample bottle. Let's test it out by having a spray, of course, and then see what it smells like. So let's try that. 2 squirts. And just having a sniff and smell of this initial spray. And it is quite luxurious smelling with a slightly citrusy note to it. So that citrus top note. Feeling very deep, sensual and rich. And it's sort of drying down to a slightly musky, masculine middle. And then right now, completely dried down. It does have a nice, rich, sweet, I would say, and still having that musty scent to it. And it does have that delicious scent. It just smells and so tasty. I want to bite my wrist off right now. So if you're into this luxurious, rich, almost creamy, and of course that woody note to it, you will love this fragrance. So, a lovely, rich, luxurious smelling fragrance. The K by Dolce & Gabbana. Thanks for watching and happy spring!